Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add Y Excel or access, a label on the Excel application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do just go and open the Excel application if you already have it downloaded into your PC. If you have it, that will be great. But if you don't, you'll have to go and open it through, and download it through any browser you're using or even through the Microsoft Store. You'll have, of course, to download the Office pack, which is gonna download a lot of Office applications, including Excel. Then you can, after it's downloaded, you will have to delete or uninstall whatever you don't want of the applications. But I suggest you to keep them all because they are useful. So of course, once you download it or if you already have it, just go and open the application up to follow the tutorial steps. And of course, once you are here, this is going to be your home screen. You would like to log in into your account or even to create an account if you don't have one. Make sure to have an activated account so you can use the app because they are paid apps. And of course, once you are here, you can just go and click at new so you can open a blank workbook or just choose some of their templates, or you can open something here and start on your PC, maybe saved, and start working on it. For me, I'm just going to open a workbook, a blank workbook. And as we said, we would like to add the y-axis label. So of course you can just go and click anywhere in the charts in which you want to add axis titles. So of course we would like first of all to have some charts, so we can just go here to insert, then go to this. Let's just do this chart as an example. Of course, this chart, how can you actually create a chart? You can actually give like the data to a chart, then you can create it. So of course I just created here random charts so we can actually like use it. So here, as we said, you can just go and click anywhere, add the charts that you wish you want to add, like the y axis. So of course on the layout tab you can just go here to page layouts, and of course in the labels group you would like just to click at axis table. So so of course you'll normally not find it there. You'll find it normally in this chat or chart design. So once you click on anywhere on the charts, go to chart design or even like a format. Here you'll have some options, but what we care about is chart design. So you can just go here to quick layout, of course, if you want to change anything here, or you can just go and add a chart element. Then you can go to data labels, and of course you can add it wherever you want, then add your y-axis labels. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.